So friends, in this lecture we will learn about the layer properties. So you see we have here layers. Okay, if you don't have this tool, so you can just go to Windows and layers, and you can press F7 to enable disable, just like this. F7 and F7 again. Alright, and now you see this image is locked, so all these properties are disabled. So we have to unlock this one. Just double click and name it any layer, and okay. So you see my properties is being enabled and I can change the things that I can do. Alright, so first of all we will learn about this tool. Okay, so this is the lock transparent pixels. Alright, so it will lock the transparent pixels. We can't change the anything on the transparent pixels. Okay, so just like this, if I will just make a transparent using the eraser tool. So you see the transparent pixels is locked. You can't see a transparent the pixels here. You can see here the background, the color that I use here. Okay, if I will switch to this one, then it will paint it to this one, because this is the eraser tool. Okay, so the main purpose of this, it will show your background. If I will just unlock this one, and when I brush, erase, then it will show me the just like the transparent pixels. Okay, so if I lock it, then it will do a paint. Okay, the paint, that color that is in the second one. Alright, so unlock, and you can see the transparent pixels is enabled. Right, now go to the previous, just press Alt Control Z to make it the as much as, okay, just like the previous. Or you can use this tool, that is our history tool. Okay, so the history tool is here. You have to find, this is the history brush tool. Cancel. Okay, cancel history brush tool. Yep, drop. Now you can do the history brush tool, just like it will make images as you just the before saving. Okay, if you save the image, then it will not, you can't use the history brush tool. Alright, so you see here is the image that is just I just before the saving. Okay, so my next tool is this is called the lock image pixels. Okay, then it will lock the image pixels. I can't do anything that will related to the image pixel, just like the cloning. It don't allow me the cloning because it will change the image pixels. Okay, it's like the colors, and it don't allow me to do the eraser. It don't allow me to do uh, okay, I can do the selections, but I can't do the brushing, or the or I can use the pen tool to create something, because pen tool is used to create a vectors and to select the image, but I can't do that. Is just related to the, just like this paint bucket, I can't do this one because also it will paint my image, and it will change the pixels, just like the pixel colors. So I can't do this thing, but if I unlock this one, then I'm able to do this. Alright, so next is the move tool. It will lock the position. I can't move the image. You see, it will not allow me to move the image, but if I unlock this one, then I can move it. Alright, now this is the artboard. So this layer is not gonna more in the artboards. Such like if I have a new artboard here. Okay, it's like the artboard from layers, new artboard. You see, and when I lock it, then it will not come out from this one. Okay, because it is locked and you can't move it the up and down because it's been locked. All right, so you see, and next tool is this, my lock all, and then same as the previous one, it will lock my position. Now I can't do anything because it is locked my all the things. It's like this one, I can't do the brushing, the eraser. Okay, so all these tools are locked now. So this is the opacity. Okay, so I will create a new layer. Okay, and the background I will use the white color. So just select a white color, white to the background. Okay, and when I do its opacity is the minimum, you see. Okay, not this one, this one. So you see my image is being just like the uh, getting invisible. Okay, just like the watermark, you can place a watermark using this. So just like you have a name. Okay, just right here the watermark. Okay, and if you want it to the as a watermark here, then you can just decrease its opacity, so it will work as a watermark. Or same as the fill, you can use the fill also. Okay, actually fill is just like to fill its inside. If you have a stroke, then you can fill 0, then stroke will not be this 0, this stroke will remain in this. Okay, you can see this stroke just like this. So if I will use a stroke, okay, I will create a new object just like this star. Okay, so my fill color is the red one and my stroke is the purple. Okay, and stroke I will stroke increase its stroke size. So you see the red is fill and this is stroke. When I decrease the fill, then you can see a stroke. But if I will do opacity 0, then it will completely disappear my star with the stroke. So just like this, these two things will work. Okay, so come to this. This is actually the filter. Just like it will filter my all the images. You see I have the two images, that is the two layers. Okay, the one is object and this one filter my objects, and this one filter my this tool. Just like if I will put a curve and I wanna see just like what I put, just like the adjustment layers. So if I click, it will show me the only all my adjustment layers. Or if I will create a new text layer. Okay, so when I come to this, it will just filter my text layers. And this is just like the artboard. Okay, so just like the smart object, and it will filter my smart objects. You see no smart object, then it will show me just like no layers. But if I will create a smart object just like this, if I will create it to the smart object, then it will show me this layer because it will now behave as a smart object. Alright, so just I'm going to delete this layers and I'm going to rasterize it. And now this is the channels. Okay, you can see the RGB mode complete, the red one, the green mode, and the blue mode. So you can work on these single modes also. And this is the complete RGB mode. And when you convert it to the just like the CMYK, okay, you can change the CMYK using the Control Y. But the first we will enable it to the RGB mode. You can see the RGB mode here. Okay, when you create a new layer, so you see here a color mode is RGB. So this is the mode that is come to this one. And when if you will selected just like here the CMYK mode, okay, and when you create a new document, so you see here are channels the say according to the CMYK mode. All right, so this is the two layers and my next one is the path. So it will come under the pen tool. When we use the pen tool, then this tool will work. And this is the 3D. So it will use to create a 3D extrusion of my object and my image.